Papilik mata pa ako. So yung pilik mata, tumatama dito sa salamin. Sobrang lakas. Wala naman ako nakita, hindi ko alam. Pero pumapalakpak at saka malakas.
Mariel Padilla, in her latest vlog post, decided to join her husband, Robin Padilla, at a shoot fest to show her unwavering support for him. On Thursday, June 27, Mariel took to YouTube to upload a 10-minute vlog about the Isa SC Mista Shoot Fest, which Robin was part of. According to Mariel, since she is a supportive wife, she wants to be present at Robin's events as much as possible, touching netizens. As a supportive wife, as much as possible gusto ko lagi akong present sa mga events ni Robin. Sometimes feeling action star din ako para makasabay hahaha, she jokingly said. She then revealed some details about the event, saying they want to share the basics of safe gun handling and gun storage to the public. Samahan niyo kami as we launch the Isa SC Mista Shoot Fest, the Robin Hood Padilla Cup, dahil we want to share the basics of safe handling and storage of guns, as well as how to properly use it, she said.
And 2 holes there. Yeah. And your grouping is, you ask any shooter or any soldier.
Okay.
That's very good.
Perfect.
Bravo, bravo. Bravo.
Ito talaga yung weapon ko. Ang nakakaloka, nagpapilik mata pa ako. So yung pilik mata, tumatama dito sa salamin. Kaya kanina ko pa ito sinukot dahil nagaganon-ganon yung pilik mata dito sa salamin. Babalik na tayo sa tunay na anyo. Okay? Sobrang lakas. Wala naman ako nakita, hindi ko alam kung ano. Pero pumapalakpak at saka malakas yung mga tunugan. Asan na siya? Ang galing! Perfect! Nandun siya sa element na enjoy siya. Nilike niya, ang dami niyang bala, ang saya-saya niya. Samantalang tayo, pawis na pawis ko na totoo. Samantalang tayo, pawis na pawis siya, wala siyang nararamdaman na init, walang nararamdaman na gutom, bigat, pagod, wala, sakit sa katawan, walang alikabok, wala, lahat okay. Samantalang tayo yung lahat ng kaguhit-guhitan, lahat ng kaguhit-guhitan, may nararamdaman. Oo, nag-enjoy na ako. Pakita mo yung pakita mo. Yan yung ginawa ko. Yan yung ginawa ko. Nakatama siya. Ito, 3 beses ko yan natamaan yan. 2.
Oo, tapos na ako natapos.
Bakit hindi ko magbalik ng station? Ano po? What is it yan? Where?
Sa baril niya, kasi ka nagmamadali. Sir, Ram! Oh, Ram! Report agad kay Maria. Report agad kay
Okay? Babe! At nabibigyan na siya pero nandito siya. Nabibigyan na siya. So,